Good afternoon, Chair and Commissioners. Kathy Wanner, Contract Specialist, along with Aaron Nelsonl, Parking and Facilities Manager. We are here today to talk about two separate consent agenda items. Resolution 1677, pre-qualification of contractors for 9th and Front Structural Stair Repair Project, and Resolution 1678, pre-qualification of contractors for 10th and Front Structural Concrete Repair Project. I'm going to turn it over to Aaron Nelsonl now to give a little background on each project. Aaron?
Good afternoon, Chair and Commissioners. In 2012, the original cast in place on 9th and Front stair towers was replaced with precast stair risers, and landings were reinforced with epoxy-coated rebar. No repairs were made to the frame. Since then, there has been chloride-induced corrosion of the rebar reinforcement within the frames. The project includes repairing and preventing further corrosion and protecting coating over repaired concrete frames. Next slide, please. For 10th and Front, the garage structural concrete project will involve partial depth strip repair of concrete slabs over the precast beams, installation of traffic resistance waterproofing membrane, replacement of control joints, sealants, and elastomer material, and application of saline sealer and supported floor slabs. Work will occur primarily in the second level and is expected to extend the service of the garage for up to 20 years. Kathy will now discuss about the procurement process.
Thank you, Aaron. Major construction projects in a fully functioning parking garage come with a set of complex logistics and unique site conditions. Because of these factors, the agency found it desirable for public works contractors to have a demonstrated ability to handle those complex logistics, site conditions, and to have sufficient resources to keep the project moving along quickly, as well as an understanding of public relations. Idaho Code provides government agencies a two-step process in which to pre-qualify public works contractors. During stage 1, agencies can examine preliminary supplemental qualifications such as experience constructing similar facilities and overall performance history, and then pre-qualify the contractors prior to a competitive bid process. Stage 2, the agency will invite competitive bids from only those contractors that have been pre-qualified at stage 1. So in order to do this, the agency issued a request for qualifications for each project on August 19th, publishing notice in the Idaho Statesman on the 19th and 26th. The RFQ was also distributed to the Idaho Association of General Contractors, Idaho Blueprint Specialties, and sent to a long list of public works contractors. The proposals were due on September 9th by 3 p.m. and responses were received for both projects. We are here today to approve the selection of those qualified contractors. Once approved, the competitive bidding process will follow. Now I'll talk a little bit about the qualification process. The agency received proposals for each project. Each proposal was reviewed to ensure that the contractor was properly licensed to perform the work with the necessary Type 3 building construction license or Type 4 specialty construction license with the skilled trade categories. In addition to the simple licensing and company information, the RFQ requested information on several pre-qualification standards: experience constructing similar feature facilities, key personnel, overall performance history, references, and prior experience with the agency. A 4-member agency staff evaluation team reviewed and scored each of the proposals. A score of 75 points or greater was needed to be eligible to bid. All companies submitting for each project met that scoring threshold. The 4 contractors submitting proposal and qualified to bid on the 9th and Front garage are ESI, Engineered Structures Inc., Guho Corp., Watson Associates, and Western Specialty Contractors. The 10th and Front garage project, a larger and more complex project, had 3 contractors submit and all met qualification criteria: ESI, Guho, and Western Specialty Contractors. Upon approval, agency staff will move the projects forward by issuing an invitation to bid to those qualified contractors for each project. It is anticipated to have the bid award approvals at the December 14th board meeting. The contractor awarded each project will begin construction in early spring 2021. So that concludes this presentation. So thank you very much.